How to check deleted messages in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, let me remind you that there is no possible way to read the deleted messages in WhatsApp, but instead you can find the unsent messages before deleting them. Now to do that, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on your device. Now scroll down. Now simply tap on notifications and quick settings. Now scroll down and tap on more settings. Now go to notification history. Now simply enable the toggle for notification history. Now once you enable it, go back to the home screen. Now keep holding the WhatsApp icon and tap on app info. Now tap on manage notifications. Now simply enable the toggle for allow notifications. Now if a person sends a message and deletes them later, you will still be able to read them from your settings. Go to the settings, tap on notification and quick settings. Now scroll down, tap on more settings and tap on notification history. Now on this page you can find all of your deleted WhatsApp messages. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.